With pandemics, pollution, and climate change, our air quality needs attention now more than ever. Even worse, indoor air is 5 times more polluted than outdoor air. Meet Albero. Albero is an ultra-powerful, ultra-silent, and ultra-efficient 3-in-1 smart air purifier that fits beautifully in your home. Unlike other home filters that collect bacteria, Albero kills and vaporizes 99% of the contaminants in your air. Albero uses an advanced patented nanotechnology that destroys viruses, bacteria, VOCs, mold, and more at a molecular level. A carefully calibrated UV light blasts the proprietary nanofilter, producing supercharged ions that attack and exterminate any contaminants passing through. Advanced air quality sensors detect smoke, carbon monoxide, gas leaks, VOCs, and other harmful substances. If it detects anything harmful, Albero alerts you via its app and will automatically eliminate these pollutants, running itself until your air is clear. Albero can run at an ultra-silent 18 decibels, which is quieter than a whisper, and features soft adjustable lighting to bring ambiance to any space. It's made of premium, eco-compatible, and recyclable materials. Its exterior nanocoating protects it from corrosion, scratches, and aging. Plus, the nanofilter is easily washable. No need for constant replacements. Simply remove, rinse, and return. You'll also gain access to our app, which connects you to the Albero community. See how you and everyone else in our community are collectively purifying the air all around the world. The air you breathe matters. From work to home, you deserve fresh, clean air wherever you go. Imagine a world where every breath you take is pure and fresh. No more contaminants, no more toxins, no more pollution. With Albero, you can finally take a deep breath of clean air. Join our community. Let's fight pollution, airborne diseases, and allergens to make this world a cleaner, healthier place. Together. Back our campaign today, and let's purify our air and our world, one Albero at a time.
On the train and is unobtrusive in the office. Rest assured, we sure didn't compromise power for portability. The A380 aluminum body weighs only 14.5 kilograms and is built for an incredibly smooth and sturdy ride. This lightweight package is powered by a 180-watt brushless DC motor, allowing you to hit speeds of 18 kilometers per hour and tackle urban terrain effortlessly. We know all commutes are different, so we designed a battery to maximize mileage while upholding our company's dedication to green energy. This rechargeable system holds 7,500 milliamp hours, which translates to a 30-kilometer range at maximum weight capacity. To aid user safety, the Hemo H1 features an ultra-bright LED headlamp, along with an LCD screen, complete with speedometer and battery indicator. On top of that, the digital brake system allows you to safely stop the vehicle with the press of a finger. So we invite you to be different, but stylish, fast and convenient, stable and green. The Hemo H1.
Modius Sleep is a drug-free solution designed to improve your sleep. Using pioneering, non-invasive technology, Modius Sleep actively stimulates the deep parts of the brain with a safe electrical pulse, helping you to fall asleep quicker and stay asleep longer. Extensive research has shown using Modius Sleep for just 30 minutes before bed improves sleep quality, allowing you to wake up revitalized, refreshed, and ready to take on the day.
Hi, my name is Dr. Jason McKeown and I'm the founder and CEO of Modius. It's been 2 years since we launched our original Modius weight loss headset on Indiegogo, and we thank our thousands of backers for their faith in our pioneering work. Together, we've completed more than 500,000 Modius sessions and helped thousands of people reach their health goals, highlighting just how confident you can be in the Modius Sleep technology. Modius Sleep is a breakthrough in sleep science that has the potential to completely transform your life.
I've had problems sleeping for a few years now. I tend to fall asleep very easily, but then I'll wake up in the middle of the night and I just can't get back to sleep.
So I always have had sleep issues, but even when I was a teenager, I was a night owl. So, you know, that played into then doing shift work where you'd finish at 1 in the morning. That's when your evening would start, so, you know, we'd be like maybe 2:30, 3 o'clock before getting to sleep.
The headset's really easy to use. I found that it had a positive impact on my sleep. I definitely recommend Modius Sleep to anybody who's having problems with their sleep. It has really helped me with my sleep pattern and making me feel much more awake and ready for every day.
Well, the main benefits I got out of the Modius Sleep headset was better quality sleep, feeling much more refreshed when I woke up in the morning, feeling like I've had a proper night's sleep. And then that fed through into a better general mood during the day.
Modius Sleep works by sending a safe electrical pulse into the vestibular nerve, influencing the areas of the hypothalamus and brainstem that control circadian rhythm and sleep patterns. Our aim is to help people avoid sedatives and sleeping pills, as they only mask the underlying problem and come with a host of nasty side effects. Unlike other sleep headsets that are limited to reading brainwave activity, Modius Sleep actively stimulates the key sleep neurons in the brain. Our research has shown that only 30 minutes of daily use significantly improves sleep, with the vast majority of users reporting a positive impact on their everyday life. After 7 years of clinical research, we have now fully optimized the Modius technology to specifically help people improve their sleep. Back us today so you can be part of the global sleep revolution and help us bring a safe, drug-free solution to the millions of people who are in need of a great night's sleep.
Thanks for your support!
This is a new generation of Sculptor portable monitor. It's different from any other monitor, as everything has changed. First, the screen becomes an automatic rotating screen. It is not the kind that you need to rotate your phone in order to rotate the screen. It can automatically sense the position. See it whatever position you want. Switch the display to landscape or portrait mode. With a variety of gestures and touch menus, it becomes more productive. 10 fingers touch technology, zero delay touchscreen feedback allow you to have better using experience and control. It has Typec dual line and micro USB interface. The forward and reverse Typec design allows you to connect to a variety of devices quickly. Even if you're doing something complicated, you can charge your mobile at the same time. The ultra-thin design makes it incredibly light to carry. You can easily put it in any bag. The display is built with HDR Low Blue FreeSync G-Sync technology. No matter what angle you're watching from, the monitor still shows excellent color. There is also a new folding bracket which you can fold in different ways. Hold the monitor at multiple angles in landscape or portrait orientation. A more comprehensive display angle. Sculptor portable monitor is more versatile, portable, and functional. It is a unique and outstanding monitor that gives you a more comprehensive mobile display solution.
That's Atmore Magic.
Hey Google, change to a view of Hawaii and play a Hawaiian song.
Okay, enjoy Hawaii.
That's Atmos magic. That's Atmos magic. That's Atmos magic. That's Atmos magic. That's Atmos magic.
It's been 4 years since the first Atmos window, and from those beginnings, we now have customers throughout the world using Atmos windows every day. We were just brimming with new ideas about how to improve the Atmos window experience. This led to the birth of Atmos Window 2, the smarter smart window. Atmos Window 2 is going to wow you with its true-to-life panoramic videos, all original and shot in 4K ultra high definition. We have filmed 1,000 natural and man-made scenic panoramas to your window. Of course, you can also enjoy the footage that you took, and it's so easy. Relive your memories at home. Want a more expansive view? Atmos Window 2s can be joined together to make an even bigger window. There is nothing like being in the now. With Atmos live streaming, how about checking out the world in real time? Not only have we replaced mono speaker with true stereo quality, but now vibration speaker turned the entire screen into a sound experience. Why not use Spotify or Bluetooth to listen to your favorite tunes combined with whatever panorama you like? With Atmos Window 2, new attachable modules enhance your experience. With the camera module, just like a real window, the view actually moves with the position of your face. And with the camera module, you can check the inside of your home, even when you aren't there. Super convenient. A true window brings in light, and with the attachable LED module, you feel like you really are at the window ledge. Those everyday essentials, like the time, the weather, your calendar. Didn't you wish you could see some images when you ask your smart speaker? With Atmos Window 2, here they are. Everyone has their own taste when it comes to interiors, and now you can change your window frame to fit your decor. We also made the frame out of real timber, handcrafted by Japan's premier wood furniture maker.
We created Atmos windows so that you can feel the world outside is vast and exciting. This time, we made it even more real. And we believe this reborn Atmos Window 2 will bring the future of smart living to your home.